Swamp potatoes and sausage sounds crazy, but it's delicious, and you make it all in your slow cooker. The first thing I'm going to do is chop my potatoes, but I also have an onion, I'm adding garlic, I have my smoked sausage. I want my pieces to be small and about the same size. Next, I'm going to chop my onion. All right, we're going to add our ingredients to the slow cooker. I'm starting with garlic, my potatoes, and onions. Okay, that isn't all of our ingredients, but we're going to go ahead and add some seasonings. We're going to start with olive oil. Got some salt. Now I'm using, instead of plain pepper, I'm using Kinder's garlic and herb in place of that. But you can just add pepper. Okay, and then we stir it up. We have just a little more chopping to do. We're going to add the final ingredients and then it's going to cook. Now I'm going to slice my smoked sausage, and I want mine thin. Okay, now we're adding our sausage. I'm going to stir again. So these are fresh green beans. You could probably use canned, but you might want to add those a little bit later, but I'm using fresh. So I've broken them into smaller pieces. And now I'm going to add these. I love the colors and all of that. Next, I'm using my Recipe Secrets beefy onion seasoning. I'm going to spread that around. I've got garlic powder. And then finally on top, I'm going to add butter. Spread them around. So just pats of butter. And then now we're going to put it in the slow cooker. Put a top on. And I set to high. It'd probably be ready before 4 hours, but we will check it at 3 hours. I've decided to add more salt and pepper, so I'm going to do that now. And it cooked a lot faster than I thought. So it was about 2 hours on high. And I did stir it throughout the cooking process. Okay, let's give it a stir again.
Smells really good.
It does, and it looks good. We had made the last minute decision to add the garlic. That wasn't in the original recipe. It wasn't in it the other time when I tried it, but we decided we thought it would be a good addition. First, I want to say, I hope you like and subscribe. I've got lots of recipes we've already done and so many more coming. But now we're going to try swamp potatoes and sausage.
It smells fantastic. Got myself a little of everything.
Oh, you got a little of everything. Okay. That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yum.
Delicious. I love everything in a crock pot.
I do
Potatoes
too.
are nice and tender, soft, delicious.
And the green beans.
Glad
Well,
it-
like I said, if you're going to use canned green beans, don't add those till near the end.
I would go fresh.
Oh yeah, fresh for sure.
Mm-mm.
So this could be a side dish, but it could be a full meal too.
Very good.
It was so easy. Yum.
Almost had one get away there.
I know. This is really good. We definitely recommend this.
Well, thanks for joining us.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos every Sunday, and of course, the recipe is in the description box. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. You too.